Hi there! Today we're going to show you how to manage and visualize dependencies between work items in Businessmap, from simple links within a board to cross-project relationships. Let's dive in. We'll start on a standard team board where you have a work item that must be completed before another can begin. To link the work items, hold the control button, then drag and drop the first work item onto the second. You'll be prompted to define the link type. In this case, we'll choose predecessor. This means work item X needs to be completed before work item Y can proceed. So how does this impact the workflow? If you try to move the second work item into in progress while the first is still active, the system won't allow it. You'll see a visual warning signaling the unresolved dependency. The successor card won't advance until the predecessor is done. Once the first task is complete and moved to a done column, the restriction lifts and the second work item is ready to move on. Now let's explore other types of relationships. Suppose you want to show that two work items are related, but one doesn't depend on the completion of the other. You can create a relative link. To do this, either drag with the control button or use the context menu of the card. Select Link to Existing Card. Choose Relative as the link type and search by the card's title or ID. This lets others know the cards are associated without enforcing any workflow restrictions. These links are useful when tasks are connected by topic or outcome, but not by execution order. You can always review dependencies under the Links Overview field in a work item. In the Cards Links tab, you'll find a full table view of all connections, showing parent, child, predecessor, successor, and relative links in one place. This gives you both visual and structured clarity on how your work is connected. A great way to visualize dependencies between work items is with the whiteboards. Let's take an initiative for implementing CI pipeline for back-end services that has been broken down into 5 tasks. To map the dependencies between those work items, you can visualize your workflow cards inside the whiteboard. Just by dragging and connecting arrows between the cards, the system allows you to visually map your dependencies while they're being automatically created on your actual workflows. To build cross-team dependencies, you can use the Related Boards capability in Businessmap. Let's add a related team board, because let's suppose you need a quality review from the quality control team. Drag and drop a work item into the Requested section on the related board and choose Create New Successor Card. This means that the card on the quality control board can't be finished until the work item on your team board is completed. From your board, you'll be able to see what stage the external task is in, whether it's pending, in progress, or done. As the quality control team updates the task, your board will reflect the change in real time. Keep in mind that you can use the same linking methods between your projects, initiatives, or objectives to manage dependencies on a strategic level. Now that you've seen how to manage dependencies across tasks, boards, and initiatives, try applying these practices in your daily work and don't hesitate to contact our teams if you encounter any difficulties. See you in the next video.